Good morning, everyone. Well, it's morning now still, just. I'm sorry I haven't done much vlogmasing. I've just been either at work or at uni. But today is your special day because I'm going to do some Christmas crafting. So let me show you what I've got. Most of this stuff was from, well, it all was from either Poundland or from B&M, and I'm going to do a little bit of a transformation. So you can still get these things. If you're in the US, you can probably get similar stuff at Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I have got. So I'm having to film this on my kitchen floor because the weather is absolutely disgusting outside and I couldn't be bothered to walk down to the bottom of the garden to Delilah, but I'm going to have to go in the garage to do one thing. So I have bought some, this is all Poundland, unless it's got price on it, then it's B&M. So these are £1, funnily enough, Poundland. Some Christmas bells. I have got this wreath. I have got, oh my God, I can't reach, some baubles. I got these little string lights from Poundland. Some more little Christmas baubles. This pack of bigger baubles, a pack of pine cones. These are B&M, and this god-awful thing that is like a Christmas tree. But let's see how we're going to transform these from Poundland to, I don't know, Fortnum & Mason / Howard standards. So what I'm going to do with this, because I just want the inside, sorry, I've had to have the garage door open, so it might be a bit loud. I'm just going to take all the tinsel off this, and I'm also going to take all the tinsel off of this because I want the frame and not the tinsel. So let's see if we can do this. Oh my God. I should have got some scissors. Let me get some scissors. So I am just going to cut all of this. Oh, there we go. All of this. Pull it all off. I'm sure I can use the tinsel for something else. Oh, it's so cold out here. And windy. That can go. This is a piece of my old flooring because I didn't want to get it on the floor. And I'm going to do the same with this. So this just leaves this frame. Let me cut this tag off. And do the same with this. Right, and I just wanted the plastic frame, so let's get rid of this tinsel. So I have got a little can of plastic coat. This is just a white, and I'm going to spray it. Now they are done, I am just going to leave them to dry for a bit and then we will use them. So I'm going to start with this because this is dry, and I've got these pine cones that I'm going to stick on, and I'm going to stick some of these on and some of the Christmas bells, and then I have these string lights that I'm gonna weave through when it's done. And I have my glue gun. This glue gun is amazing. I got it from Argos. It's cordless. It's £30 in Argos, but if you've got nectar points, so I got like £15, £15 off because I use my nectar points. And it's my new fave thing. So let's turn this bad boy on. Wait for it to heat up. And let's get gluing. I need to snip the tags off of these first. And then, because I don't need these bits, we can get gluing. This is really fun to do with kids as well, but obviously if you're with kids or you're an adult, just be wary. Glue guns get hot. And I know that's obvious, but you never know. Oh, why don't I just go like that in the first place? So, I think I'm going to put a few round the bottom. So let us get gluing. I think I'm going to put them like that way. Yeah, that way. This could all go horribly wrong. Oh my God, I've not even got it on the bit that I need it on. I think I need it further out. That is the bottom part done. I'm quite pleased with that. I'm going to do a few baubles next, I think. I think I might go for these ones. If I can get them open. I think I'm gonna go for one of these, and one of these. Cut the bits off. Oh no, I'm just gonna do two, I think. Gonna have to be two. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think we've got enough. Think we've got enough. Or should I do it all the same? No, I think I'll do it all the same. I think that's looking pretty good. Now, do I go these? Or I could put some Christmas bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm going to go for the bells. I'm going to have to start moving this back, I think. Let me see if I can put it up high. I am sat on the floor, by the way. So, I've got my bells on. And I might go for these next. Dunno. Or do I leave it like that and put the lights around the top? That's what I might do. Let's see. So I think I might leave it like that. I don't know. I've put the lights around the bottom, or I could wind them around the top. Let me see what it looks like winding them around the top. Change of plan. I have got some ribbon, so I think I'm going to make a Christmas bow to put on the top of it. Let's see how that looks. I have got some batches here. If I can open this. Oh, that looks pretty. Let me get my bow on it. So this is what it looks like now it's finished. I went for the bow and plonked another bauble on there, but I'm pretty proud of that. That is like, yeah. And I like the little lights around the bottom as well. I think they look really good. So onto my wreath. So now I'm going to do my wreath, but I think I'm going to do it in like the champagne colours. What have I done with them? Oh my god! On these, but I might have to put some silver ones in because I don't know if I'm going to have enough. But we shall give it a go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this bit blank for now. And I'm going to stick, let me move this right. I'm going to start here, I think. And just whack them on. So I have stuck all my baubles on. It's looking a bit thin here, so I'm covered in glue. So I just need to get probably like one more little packet just to fill the gaps in. And I put some, they're under here, some bells and some pine cones
And don't look at the back. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm just going to fill those gaps in. But I'm quite proud of that. It did take a while, and I am now seriously covered in glue. So yeah, dead proud and really easy to do. Just whack your baubles on, whack anything you want on it. Job done.
So I hope you enjoyed that little Christmas make video. I'm going to try and vlog when I can, obviously, but tomorrow I'm out for lunch with some girls and boys from uni. So I might bring you along, it depends if they want to be in the video. It's blowing a gale outside, and I'm now going to have a cup of tea, and I'm going to hang my wreath up somewhere pretty. Yes, I am sat on my kitchen floor. So I will see you all soon. Bye.